Have you ever wondered that the simplest computer keyboard hides some surprising engineering inside? A cheap keyboard has 148 parts, yet only 8 are essential. A rubber pad with domes, 3 layers of plastic sheets, the top and bottom with conductive traces, a middle perforated layer, 2 batteries, a holding bracket, and a small PCB with a microprocessor, crystal oscillator, switch, and 2.4 gigahertz antenna. How do they work together? The batteries and processor apply 3 volts to the bottom layer, while the top layer is continuously monitored. Press a key, the rubber dome compresses, pushing the top conductive ring to touch the bottom, completing the circuit. Voltage flows back to the processor, which detects the key press. Release it, and the connection breaks. The keyboard matrix reorganizes rows and columns, and the processor rapidly pulses each column to figure out which key was pressed, then sends the signal via the 2